Hey guys! Today's content isn't about me putting my makeup on. Just because I'm so busy, I want to film some content related to Christmas sessions. You know, in those Aussie or international malls, you get Christmas photos sitting with Santa, but the photos quality turned out a bit... So what do you think the issues would be? Is this the equipment or the lighting or simply the pricing? No, not really. Even with 30 bucks from us, you can still get a decent picture. I think from my point of view, it is missing the warmth vibe. Sitting next to each other, they don't have interactions, no interaction with the family members or Santa. No touching. Are we still keeping the social distancing? Well, shopping center Santa photos definitely not the recipe for the cozy, warm Christmas family pictures. Today I'm going to show you how to create the warm and fuzzy Christmas pictures. First thing first, let's talk about outfits. Coordinate your clothing. Whether it's matching colors or styles of mix and match, make sure there is cohesive feel. Moms, the pressure is on you. Mix and match isn't easy. Family members should complement each other in terms of colors. Please avoid any distracting pattern that may throw things off. Now let's get the formation right. For group shots with 3 or more people, create some elevation and stagger the positions. Whether you are sitting for a half body shot or standing for a full body one, avoid that stiff or straight line look. Think of it as forming a circle with everyone, creating a dynamic and inclusive composition. Next up, physical contact is the key. There has to be some touching going on with their family members. Holding hands, hands on the shoulder, a little peck on the cheeks. This adds an intimacy. Then, teamwork makes the dream work. The photographer should keep directing the interactions between family members. Get Santa involved in some light tricks or magic. It works magically with those scared little ones. For the older ones, simply a high five or cheers, or even just whisper a secret into Santa's ear telling him what they want for Christmas. That will make a big difference. It's gonna create that kind of storytelling moments from your pictures. But of course, these are just a few tips to get you started. If you have any other suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. Whether you are a photographer or a parent, these tricks can truly define and elevate your pictures. And hey, if you feel a bit lazy, you can always book a Christmas session with us in our Sydney studio. But I'm not sure if there's any spots left. You might want to hurry for that one. Alright, if you are not local, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for tips and tricks related to baby photography. Until next time, keep snapping!